the 6th week out is August the 2nd, and I'll be in uh the Advanced Family Law
I will be
Conference.
too, actually.
Okay.
So we might do it the week after that.
Yes.
I'll be
Okay.
there.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess we could all do it in San Antonio, but yeah,
No.
I'm planning on going to San Antonio, and I don't really
Yeah.
want to do hearings that week.
Yeah,
Judge,
me neither.
the week after that conference, we will be in jury trial.
Okay.
But I could set it for August the 19th at 9 a.m.
Oh, I got to look at. Hold on, I got to look at
Go
that.
ahead. Look at your date.
August the 19th.
Fortunately, I don't have access to Miss Patino's calendar.
Okay. And that might be, I'd like to do it before school starts.
Okay.
What about the end of July? I know it's just a month, but that way we can get this rolling before school starts.
Okay. I do have cases set on the 28th, the 29th. I got trials. Oh man.
Okay.
The last week of July, I got cases set in morning and afternoons. So
What about the 30th at 9 o'clock?
what about what?
The 30th at 9 o'clock?
Yeah, okay, that'd be fine, but I do have a 1 o'clock in Tarrant County and I have to be there. So yeah.
Okay.
Would this be by Zoom, Judge?
We can do this by Zoom if
Okay. Yeah, if you could do it by Zoom, I think we'll be all right.
Fridays are my Zoom day anyway, and that's a Friday. So
okay.
I can
all
do
right.
either.
Sounds good.
How is it Miss Deshulo?
I don't have access. That's okay. I don't have access to Miss Patino's calendar. I text her to see if she was still in her hearing. Did I get it? And I'm getting no answer. So I'm assuming she's still
probably is.
Hearing.
I tell you, let's go ahead and set it, understanding that if she's got a conflict, we might need to change it. Let's go ahead and call the case. We're in cause number 106720-CC in the interest of DLB, a child, and we are set on temporary orders today. For today's purposes, we're going to do, I believe, expanded standard. Is that right? With father, and then mother, for the time being, has the exclusive right to designate the primary residence. And I'm going to appoint Shauna Sinclair as the amicus attorney in this case, and she's going to be able to talk to the child, the subject of this suit, as well as the parents. And I'd like to reset the case for July, is it 30th?
30th.
July 30th at 9 o'clock, and we'll do that via Zoom. And understanding that Mr. Baker's attorney, we might need to move that date with both Ms. Sinclair and Mr. Baker's attorney, their availability. But for now, we'll tentatively set that. And Ms. Bedard, is that date good for you as well?
That date is fine, Judge.
Okay. And we'll send a Zoom ID out to everyone else. The only other thing was the paternity issue. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would request that Mr. Baker's paternity be established for this child. There are DNA results that are positive, and I don't believe that he's disputing those results.
Okay. And is that, there's no objection? Is that correct?
No objection to those results.
No objection. Yeah.
All right. The father, the respondent in this case, Barrett Baker, is adjudicated the father of the child. Is it Denaria? Is that correct? Denaria Baker.
Yes.
And is there an order in the e-file queue, or can someone provide an order as to the adjudication of fatherhood?
There is not an order in the e-file queue.
Okay.
That was filed as a proposed order, as a proposed non-agreed CSR, but I think we'll need to redraft something.
Okay.
So I'll be happy to redraft a temporary order.
That's
And-
good.
Okay.
All right.
For
Good.
the attorneys to sign.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry,
Couple more.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, a couple more things, Your Honor. Is that, so the mother is primary, is there a restriction to Kaufman County or Kaufman and contiguous? I know that's just for the time being.
Right now, let's do Kaufman County. As I said, we're coming back on the
Right.
30th. And I'd like to hear the report from the amicus going further. Obviously, this is a temporary ruling. Temporary orders, this is just a temporary ruling for today's purposes. However, yeah, that we'll revisit a lot of these issues and on the 30th.
And father
As
to
for health
provide
insurance, yes,
health
fathers
and dental for his
provide
employer.
health insurance for Denaria.
Thank you.
Great. All right.
Anything else right now?
One
Oh, you
other
got it
issue,
wrong.
Judge.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
other, father did not get Father's Day weekend, so he was asking if he could get this weekend to make up for that.
But he didn't even ask for it. I talked to the mother about that. He didn't even come try to pick the child up or anything on Father's Day. So
Actually, we sent you, Ms. Fisher, an email asking for that. You responded back wanting to know the name of your client. And then we responded, we heard nothing back from you. So we went through the attorney. to try to arrange that.
I mean, we can have a hearing. I can tell you most likely I would probably give him the weekend just as a makeup.
no, we don't need to have a hearing, Judge. Let's go ahead.
That's fine.
We'll
And
let him
we
have
can
that weekend.
take this weekend.
Yes.
And then his summer vacation begins July 1st. And does she have a weekend that she wants in that time period?
I haven't talked to her about it, but we can give the
Just
we'll give the
Let
flat
them
notice.
know.
Okay.
Let them know what weekend that she's wanting.
Okay. All right. We'll do that.
So
Anything
we'll
else?
do, just to
Yes, ma'am.
clarify, so the
Yes.
party, beginning this Friday at 6, and it's expanded. Are we gonna go till Monday then?
I don't have a problem with
Well-
Monday. Monday morning.
Okay. All right. That's fine.
All right.
Mhm.
All right. Anything else?
All right. That's
Do
it.
we
Thank
want-
you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Do we want to put on the record that child support is being reserved?
It's going to be reserved until the July 30th, once we get a report back from the amicus.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank y'all.
Thank you,
Maybe
Judge.
excuse.
All right. Yes. Thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you.